In 19, the first clue was not a wound or a rash. Dr. F was petting Kara when the dog's fur began to move.
The organism reached the Foundation through a paper submission. The doctors were taken into custody, their materials seized, and later recruited. That is the central problem of SCP-189, a safe object that looks like hair, spreads by contact, and makes every mammal a possible host. Infection usually begins when hooked egg sacs touch skin. The hooks anchor the sac long enough for sebum to trigger hatching.
The larvae then burrow into nearby follicles. At the papilla base, they feed from the capillaries that normally support hair growth.
Over 2 to 3 days, each larva becomes an adult. It severs the hair fiber at the root and envelops the papilla and hair matrix.
From then on, the adult feeds on hair matrix cells and grows only longer. Its tail carries pigment and keratin until it looks like ordinary hair.
Some specimens betray the disguise by flexing, coiling, uncoiling, or lashing after touch. The source does not explain why. SCP-189 is hermaphroditic. Its head stays at the follicle base, while egg sacs form inside the growing tail in groups of 1 to 3. By the time that tail segment extends about 1 millimeter past skin, the eggs are mature. Contact can pull the sac free into another host surface. The organism is no tougher than hair, and it can be cut or pulled out, but a severed tail section can regenerate if it attaches to a suitable host. Adult specimens die within 1 to 6 hours without a host. Mature eggs can remain viable for a redacted number of years after the parent dies. When an infected host dies, surviving adults keep feeding and may burrow into tissues. Decay toxins kill them only after decomposition begins. Containment is procedural. Cryo-storage, sealed chambers, NBC suits, chemical showers, airtight containers, and incineration. A confirmed infestation expands the response. Staff are treated, animals may be incinerated, humans receive amnestics, and contacts are checked. SCP-089 has not stayed inside one lab. The record cites external incidents with redacted numbers of humans and animals infected worldwide. SCP-189 is safe because procedures can contain it, not because it is harmless. Its lasting threat is contact with something that looks like hair.